Virtual reality, VR, refers to a computer-generated simulation or immersive experience that can replicate or create an artificial environment, often designed to simulate the physical presence and sensory experiences of the user. In virtual reality, users typically wear a head-mounted display, HMD, or goggles that display a three-dimensional virtual environment. By immersing the user in a virtual world, VR technology aims to create a sense of presence, where the user feels as if they are truly present in the virtual environment. This is often achieved through the use of stereoscopic displays that provide separate images for each eye, creating a sense of depth, and tracking systems that monitor the user's movements and adjust the virtual environment accordingly. Virtual reality has applications in various fields, including entertainment and gaming, education and training, healthcare, architecture and design, and many more. It offers opportunities for realistic simulations, skill development, virtual travel, collaborative experiences, and even therapeutic interventions. It's worth noting that virtual reality is distinct from augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR. While virtual reality creates a fully immersive digital environment, augmented reality overlays virtual elements onto the real world, and mixed reality combines virtual and real-world elements, allowing interaction between the two. In short, it has numerous advantages, which enlightens our life with a new world. But its misuse can lead to serious consequences for us.